Hello everyone. So we are discussing about the concept of missing order in double slit diffraction pattern, and this is the effect in which there are some interference maximum are found missing under some certain circumstances. Okay, so for obtain the mathematical condition of the missing order, we equate we divide the two equations, one for the diffraction minima, other for the interference maxima, and by the division of, and they coincide at the same place. By this condition we obtain a mathematical relation giving us about the missing order, about the orders, about the maximum, about the interference maximum which are going to be missed in the final pattern. Okay, so one thing more here, we also calculate the total number of interference fringes in central diffraction maxima, or you may also calculate about in any other secondary maxima by some similar calculation. Okay, so by the help of this formula we can also find the number of interference maxima going to be fall in that particular diffraction maxima. Okay, so we discussed all these points. Now let's discuss some important cases. Okay, let's see some cases. Suppose that d is equal to E. What is d? D is the slit separation, the distance between two slit, and E is the slit width. And suppose that you design the experiment in such a way that E is equal to d. What will happen? So whenever you put the value in this formula, n is equal to this formula, n is equal to m E plus d over E. So here E plus E is the twice E divided by E, it is 2. So n is equal to plus minus 2m. So n is equal to n is equal to 2m. Here m is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. M is the number of diffraction, orders of the diffraction minima. Okay, so whenever you put these values in this equation, you found that n is equal to plus minus 2. Okay, this is the plus minus term, this is the plus minus 4, plus minus 6, okay, plus minus 8. These are the orders of the interference are the missing order. That means these orders will not be displayed on the final pattern. Next case, suppose that d is equal to 2e, and in the similar way you can put the value in the equation. Okay, you can put the value in this equation. Then you found that n is equal to 3m. That means 3, 6, 9 plus minus 3, plus minus means on the both side, third order on the right side and the same third order on the right side of the central maxima are found missing. 6th order will missing, 9th order will missing, and similar order will also be missing. And similarly d is equal to thrice E, you may obtain that 4th order, 8, 12 are the missing order. And let's see very special case if d is equal to 0. D is the slit separation. What will happen if d is equal to 0? Let's see here. Sorry, figure is not present. Okay, so d is the slit separation. D is the slit separation. If d is equal to 0, then there is a single slit. Okay, there is a single slit. If separation is removed, then the experiment will work as a single slit. So let's see. N is equal to m. Okay, then n is equal to m. From the formula, from this formula, here d is equal to 0, E cancelled out, n is equal to m. That means m is equal to plus minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and hence n will also be plus minus. N is the number of orders of the interference. That means all orders of the interference are going to be missed if you set a experiment with d is equal to 0. That means this is the single slit diffraction condition. Okay, so means all interference maxima will be absent, means no interference, and the pattern will like the single slit diffraction pattern with slit width 2e. Okay, so this is the these are some special cases. Now see the graph here. I plot the cos square graph by the red color, and this is the final pattern. The blue color is the final pattern. Okay, so blue color is the final pattern, whatever we are going to see on the screen. So you can see that n is equal to 4 is the missing order. So here n is equal to 7, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. So there are fourth order. So fourth is missing. Okay, so you may also see that there are total 7 maximas. There are total 7 maximas within the central diffraction maxima. You can count. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 interference maxima within the diffraction maxima, and the fourth number order is missed. Okay, and the similar fourth order is the missing order. Okay, so this is a online site at which we give two functions. This is the function generator. Okay, here I write the one function. You can see this function fx is equal to this. This is the fx value, and here this is the cos square x value, and I set a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. Okay, this is the these are the like ed relation. E is equal to 2d, E is equal to 3d, like that. Okay, so you found that the sum is 4. So fourth order, this 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 and fourth, this is the fourth order, is missed here. Okay, and all the intensity which is reduced here is added up in the central. So the central maxima are going to be high intensity, and the other outer far from the center point, the intensity is continuously reducing. That's why there is a contrast problem. Okay, so let's see another figure. Here I set a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. So it is e plus d is equal to 5 divided by e. So fifth order will be missing. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This fifth order is missed in the final pattern. Okay, so you can enjoy this link. So it is the Math Open REF. This is the graph generator. So you may write the two graph and with different ed value, and you can check what are the orders are going to be missed in the final pattern. Okay, thank you.